Okay guys, welcome back. Next up we have the Wilka Euro cylinder. I think it's a 5-pinner, maybe a 6-pinner. I think it's a 5-pinner. And I thought we'd try it out. Just a note, I saw that 4 of these locks came without the C-clip on the back, which makes the core very floppy. It flops around. It makes it very difficult to line up the internal chambers, the upper and lower chambers. So I'll borrow the C-clip from the EVA that came in the package, and I'll stick it in there like that, and it makes the much better fit with the cylinder with the core. Anyway, for those eagle-eye viewers, you see that I am back using my old vise, and that's because the old one, I mean the new one, the orange painted one, is broken. I sheared the what's it called? The threading. So I have to buy a new one, but this will work for now. So let's try this one. This is the Wilka. And you use a tension wrench, perhaps the medium, if you can find it. There we are. I will use a Euro hook for the Euro cylinder. So let's go. Light tension. Feel around for the first pin. There we are. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we have. Sorry about that. So, C-clip off. Get this away. Okay. In the back we have a spool, custom made. We have a Christmas tree. We have a spool-like homemade pin. A spool, regular. And in number 1 we have a custom made kind of Christmas tree like pin. And in the bottom, serrated, mushroom like tea like pin. Get another one. Oh, this one is great. Look at that. Oops. Fantastic. And the last one is a serrated nothing special about the core. So that's what we got. Unfortunately I can't zoom with this camera. Let's see what we can do. Interesting looking things. So Javid, thank you for the lock, and over to the next one. See ya!